In this particular question, there is an object of mass m which is suspended from in equilibrium using a string of length L and a spring having spring constant K and unstretched length L by 2. So unstretched length of the spring is L by 2 and it is extended by L by 2. At equilibrium, let T1 and T2 are the tension in the spring and string and mg is acting downward. So for equilibrium, mg is equal to T1 plus T2, where the value of T2 in this particular situation, T2 is equal to KL by 2. So here from we can write mg is equal to T1 plus KL by 2, or we can write T1 to be equal to mg minus KL by 2. That is the tension in the string. Now the question is that find the tension in the string. Now what happens if K is greater than 2 mg by L? Initially K is less than 2 mg by L. When K is less than 2 mg by L, then T1 is equal to mg minus 2. The value of K is less than, K is in first case K is given to be less than 2 mg by L. So when this K is smaller, this tension is positive and the value of tension is T1 is mg minus KL by 2 for K less than 2 mg by L. But if K is greater than 2 mg by L, then if we write this value in the equation, then T1 is equal to mg minus the quantity mgl by 2 mg by L into L by 2. This quantity is greater and T1 comes out to be negative. So T1 negative, it is not possible. So in this particular situation, when K is greater than 2 mg by L, T1 will be equal to 0 and the spring will compress a little, that is the stretching will reduce and block will shift a little upward and it will not remain L, thus the string gets slacked and tension in it becomes 0. So in first case, tension in the string is mg minus KL by 2 for K less than 2 mg by L, but for K greater than 2 mg by L, tension is 0 and the string gets slacked.